journey friends, come on in. I promise I'm not a cigarette. Thank you.
Welcome, Ravenclaw. Welcome back.
Is that a Gryffindor? Very good. Come round, fill in. Fill in, well, I desperately need all of your help to save our lost hippogriff. Fleetwing, look here. I found, pardon me, yes, hello. I found this feather, which I am certain belongs to her. Now, she fled into the forest, and I fear she may be in danger. So, pardon me, stay there. We must fight her now. Do you all have your wands? Very good. If you don't have your wands, don't worry, you've come this far without it. You shall use your inner magic. So, before we head on our journey, we need to light the way. The Lumos spell should do the trick. So, on the count of 3, we shall cast Lumos. Ready? Yes? 1, 2, 3, Lumos! Oh, well done, everyone. 5 points to every house. Now, remember, danger lies before you while safety lies behind. So, remain alert and follow me. Right this way, everyone. Step lively. Right. They're ready. Let's keep moving. If they're upset, there could be trouble. Oh, now. Right there. Just as I thought, Cornish pixies. Now, everyone, I shall need you to surround me. Guys, all the way in. Very good.
All the way in, sir. All the way in. Thank you, thank you.
If you are taller, please stand back. Please remain stand in the front. Gather round, fill in, please. We may need to make 2 rows, my friends. Gather round. Please don't go any farther than that. Probably your first time. All right. Please have shorter in the front and taller in the back, please. Oh, dear me. Merlin's beard. These pesky pixies have disrupted the monster book of monsters. Oh, well, I shall need your help to stop the pixies, all right? You will cast the freezing charm, Immobilus, yes? So, point your wand at the pixies, and on the count of 3, cast Immobilus. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Immobilus! Ooh, well done, good form, everyone. Gryffindor, could you help me, please? Step right up. I need you to put the Monster Book of Monsters to sleep by stroking its spine, all right? Just the spine, please, very gently. Just on the back, with your hand, darling. There we are. Oh, well done. Thank you. Oh, very good. 5 points to Gryffindor. I will inform Filch of this mess, but we must help Fleetwing, yes? So, please follow me. Wands at the ready. Right here. This way, everyone. Come through. Keep your wits about you. Not to worry. I'm sure that you might I know. I myself will. Spiders aren't my favorite animal, but Hagrid, of course, did warn to avoid any sticky situations in the forest. But acromantula are not all bad, no matter how large they might be. In most cases, they are more afraid of us than we are of them. Well, not to worry. Not to worry. Aurania Eczema! Well, that's all right. That's much better, isn't it? All right, everyone. We must press on. Follow me. Step where I step. Here we are. I must confess, I am less familiar with this part of the forest. But not to worry. We shall find our way. That's all right. Not to worry. Not to worry. But remain calm. Remain calm. You're very calm. It's all right. We'll find our way. Oh no. You hear that? Everyone, lower your wands and act natural. Greetings. I am a professor from Hogwarts.
Visitors are not welcome here, especially those who cast a loud spell.
We are searching for a hippogriff. Her name is Sweetwing. Have you seen her?
The stars speak, but I do not
Oh,
trust.
that is her. She must be close.
Very well. Finish, then leave.
You have my word. All right, everyone. You heard him. Come this way. Fleetwing must be...
Let me go, please, dude. Yeah, that dude was
Devil's
super awesome.
snare.
Yeah.
It holds on and never lets go.
We're probably trying to do a big
This large, Fleetwing may be caught.
right now, like,
We need to find a way through, but we also need to come a little bit closer. I know. It is Devil's snare.
make sure I'm not trying to do a bigger group.
It grabs and never lets go. Now we need to find a way through. Devil's snare, deadly fun, sulks in the sun, of course, very good. 5 points to your house and your house. Lumos Solemn, the sunlight charm. On the count of 3, everyone point your wands at the devil's snare and we will cast Lumos Solemn. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Lumos Solemn! Oh, well done, everyone. All right, follow me, but wands at the ready. No, one way to the other side. Come through. Spread out. Yeah. All right. Now, Fleetwing is caught in those ruins. I cannot do this alone. We shall need your help to free her. So everyone, point your wand at the devil's snare. Hold your ground. We shall cast Lumos Solemn on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Lumos Solemn! Everyone, the proper way to greet the hippogriff is with a bow. You must bow. worry, everyone. It is this way. I am awarding 50 points to every house. Come. You have demonstrated the courage of a Gryffindor, the intelligence of a Ravenclaw, the tenacity of a Hufflepuff, and the leadership of a Slytherin. You shall find your way through the darkness always. Everyone, the path back to Hogwarts is this way. Farewell. I do hope we meet again. Goodbye. Well done. Well done, everyone. Good show. Yes, I couldn't have done it without you. Very good. You're very welcome. Goodbye.